Hello Operations Management students. Hey, during week 10, I want to give you ample time to be working on your research papers and your research paper presentations. So during week 10, rather than textbook reading and assignments, I have 3 videos that I posted in Moodle about supply chain careers. And I think these will align very nicely with what we studied in week 9 on supply chain management. So view the videos, and then there's a discussion question over the videos. Also, as I said, your focus is getting your research paper done, which research papers are due on April the 12th. I moved it from the 9th to the 12th to give you a few extra days. And what I would like you to do is take a look at this library overview for business students. It will show you all the tools and resources available for business students through the HU library. I also posted an APA paper template that you can download and use. This will help you have proper APA format and margins and things. One thing to note, you do not need an abstract for this paper since it's only 5 to 7 pages. No abstract is required. I've also posted research and writing tools, and if you open that, it's a page with different links to different writing tools and research helps that can help you with your paper. In addition to submitting your research paper to Moodle by the 12th, I would also like you to submit your recorded research paper presentation by the end of day, Monday the 13th. The recorded research paper presentation can be narrated PowerPoint slides with just audio. You can do narrated PowerPoint slides with audio and video, or you can use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using to record, where I can share my PowerPoint and also have audio and video recorded. In course announcements, I had posted a couple of links that are tutorials on how to do narrated PowerPoint slides or how to use Screencast-O-Matic. So if you go into course news and announcements, and then update 3/2020. In that announcement, there are 2 links, one for narrated PowerPoint slides and the other one on how to use Screencast-O-Matic. You can also record using some other modality. Just make sure that you submit a file that both I and your classmates can open. Make sure that it's something that is not too exotic, that we should be able to open. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be in class on our normal class days and times to answer questions. Also, you can email me. Take care.